Well, it's a rainy day, so we're gonna go do some brewery hopping. We're gonna start off at Catskill Brewing.
And this is a new brewery for us, so it'll be interesting.
Upward Brewing has a what?
There's a pond in front of it. So it would be nice if it was a nice, dry, sunny, picturesque day, but it seems like we don't get those for some reason when we go to breweries.
No, it's a smushy day.
But we have a smushy day.
Oh, bridge porn. It's time for some bridge porn. Time for bridge porn. Bridge porn. I love my bridge porn. That's good. This is the Catskill Brewery. This is where we're off to next. Alright, we're going to the Catskill Brewing Company. So, we're in the Catskill Brewing party tent. The party tent camp. Water. Here we go.
Because right now they're not letting people into the building.
Yeah, they can't go to the building, so just pan around here. Oops.
Yeah, so we have a stand-up house. We got a bunch like this.
Not too bad. So my beer's gone. Beer gone.
I still have a little bit left.
I think there's a drop.
So actually this one is pretty good.
And a drop. This is good?
It's good. It has the dankness that usually goes.
The dankness.
The sweat socks.
Yeah, the sweat sock.
But actually, I kind of like the sweat sock one.
I think our next stop is Upward. More bridge porn.
Is it covered bridge?
Yeah, it's a covered bridge. I love my bridge porn.
Okay, so we haven't done one of these.
Ooh, we haven't done a covered bridge.
So this is like Vermont.
Yeah, it's like Vermont.
Yeah, that's cool. It's a
That's pretty
Livingston
cool.
Manor covered bridge.
That's the Livingston Manor covered bridge. I'm gonna film it. Pulling in here. So this is the Livingston Manor covered bridge, formerly Mott's Flat Bridge, laterly known as the Vatron, originally town lattice truss built by John Davidson in 1860. And this thing is super freaking cool. Look at this bridge. Yep, he's going through. Here we go. There he goes. It is such a beautiful bridge. Going into Upward Brewing Company. Alright, so we're at Upward Brewing now, and this is a pretty cool place. I'm going to pan around so you can check it out. Hang on. There you are. You made it. It's Upward Brewing.
Cheers.
Cheers. You see some really cool stuff when you're on the road, and Livingston Manor is no exception. Check out their tourist center. It's a caboose. It's actually a caboose. And it's kind of closed right now, but it's really cool. Check this thing out. All right, we're at Roscoe Beer Company for our third stop of the day, and we're going to get some beer and hopefully food here because I heard the menu's really good. So join us now. We're going in. Take us in.
Come along, I'll be alright. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
And it wouldn't be cool if I didn't have this on the back of my truck. That's right, baby. You can buy one too.
I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night. Or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight.
This place is just super cool.
This or that, evenings on the train or
So there's awesome sunsets at
Join us next time when we have a visit from local law enforcement. Just be sure to tune in and see what happens.